The world is dominated with the new notch design smartphones. Welcome to another video guys, you're watching CB Tech here. In this video we are going to talk about the next phone from OnePlus, which is going to be OnePlus 6. So the CEO himself said that OnePlus 6 is going to feature a notch, and the explanation he gave for it was that it is for the maximum screen to body ratio. What he means to say was that they want to achieve the 90% of screen to body ratio, which they can only achieve by having a notch on the top. Furthermore, he said that their notch is even smaller than Apple's notch but slightly bigger than Essential Phone's notch. And here is the image provided by the CEO of OnePlus regarding the notch of the OnePlus 6. However, users will be given an option to stay with the notch or completely hide it as shown in the image. Enough of the notch news, let's talk about the specifications which are going to be carried by OnePlus 6. So it is rumored that it is going to have a 20 megapixel sensor and a 16 megapixel dual lens rear camera, a 20 megapixel front facing camera, and a 3400 mAh battery, which seems pretty interesting and convincing by OnePlus 6. Talking about the power and storage of OnePlus 6, it won't disappoint you. A Snapdragon 845 chipset is expected to be packed inside of OnePlus 6 with 6GB or 8GB of RAM up to 256GB of storage, which is like a pretty good step in the right direction by OnePlus. Let's talk about the most interesting part of this video, which is OnePlus 6 price. Okay, so OnePlus 6 is expected to hit $749 price tag. It looks like that OnePlus 6 price will be the highest the firm has ever charged for a smartphone. So I'm going to wrap up today's video with the OnePlus 6 release date. It is expected that OnePlus 6 is going to be announced on June 2018 but may come earlier. An earlier OnePlus 6 launch of April is being rumored as well. So here was the video about the OnePlus 6 guys. If you people enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Peace out.